Ever wondered, but how do you actually get there? You know Archimedes, right? That Eureka fellow, the man who said that you give me long enough stick and a place to stand, I will move the earth and master the universe. It is a quote of Archimedes. Now it is given every 4 years, once every 4 years, to maximum 4 people, must be under 40 years of age. You are not told the names of the committee of people. They are secret. Why? It's obviously makes sense, right? So it's all about solving problems at the end, isn't it? That's not what you do. You try to fall in love with the subject and medal will be a consequence. I know why you clicked on this video. You want to get one of these things, right? This is not this big, obviously. This is like more than the size of my face. Obviously, it's a small medal. We'll see the dimensions of it all as well. But how do you actually get there? Ever wondered? Fields Medal is one of the most prestigious medals in mathematics. It is even more prestigious, I would say, than a Nobel Prize or an Abel Prize. Abel Prize and Nobel Prize are pretty much on the same level, I would say, because of the frequency and everything. It's the same. Fields Medal, my dear friends, in mathematics, it's totally different. Now, what are the differences? We'll see in some other video, but today we will solely focus on Fields Medal. First of all, let's see what's written on this. The face which is there is of Archimedes. You know Archimedes, right? That Eureka fellow, the man who said that you give me a long enough stick and a place to stand, I will move the earth. He was talking about leverage. He was talking about power, right? And that has been philosophically translated by people in numerous other ways. Now, that's the significance of this. He was not just a physician, a physics fellow, mathematician. No, he was a philosopher as well. Now, what's written on this is the front side, this is the back side, right? I hope you can Google it and you can see the clearer pictures if you want. It is written transire sum pectus mundo capotiri. Now, what does that mean? It means to transcend one's human limitations and master the universe. It is a quote of Archimedes. By the way, here it is written Archimedes in Greek, and it could also mean rise up. So basically, rise above yourself and conquer the world, because the world is not out there to conquer, it is in here to be conquered. All right. Now, what does the back side say? It says, Congregati ex toto orbe mathematici ob scripta insignia tribure. Now, what does that mean? That means the mathematicians, having congregated from the whole world, awarded this medal because of their outstanding writings. So that should give you a hint about what makes you get one of these medals. You have to do mathematical writing. So that should be mathematical research. All right. And okay, let's see what's next. This is about the material, the medal. What is the medal made of? 14 karat gold, the diameter, the weight. Fine, whatever. See, I hope none of you is willing to get this medal so that you can earn by selling it, right? That's definitely, that should never be your goal. This medal is a medal of honor. It is a prestigious thing. To have this medal, keep it, don't sell it. Even if you are getting 5,500 Canadian dollars, it's not worth it selling. So yeah, I hope no one was planning for that, but just letting you know. I don't know. Now, it is given every 4 years, once every 4 years, to maximum 4 people, must be under 40 years of age. That is the condition. 40 years of age. For example, this year, as I said, it would be, this year we would be giving, there would be an announcement for this, and it will be announced in the month of July. All right. And so that means the person should be 40 before the start of this year. You must not have your 40th birthday after 1st January 2026 if you are to receive the Fields Medal this year. So that's the condition. So yeah, that's like not the main condition. Obviously, it would be sad that if you are worthy of getting a Fields Medal but you are just 41, that's very sad. But yeah, you have other awards and other medals. We will talk about each medal. If you are interested, please let me know in the comments if you are interested in learning about other medals like this. Okay. Every 4 years, maximum 4 people, right? Minimum 2, maximum 4. Some condition like that is there, and it's given every 4 years. It's like Olympics. Okay. This year it will be announced in the month of July. Yeah, this is the Google thing. You see, you keep seeing this International Mathematical Union. That is the organization which awards this fields medal, right? You can go to the website and check out even more details. Now, the gatekeepers are this, and they create a committee every 4 years, and the committee happens to be a secret one, because people don't want to be influenced, right? So, until the winners are or the awardees are announced, you are not told the names of the committee people. They are secret. Why? It's obviously makes sense, right? Because if you know who is the committee, who is sitting in the committee, I'll go and bribe them or do something, right? Something bad, bad things can be done to influence them into, mujhe award me. I mean, obviously, it has to be totally logical, because there are numerous top level mathematicians and everyone wants to get these. So it is supposed to be a secret. Fun thing. Now, how to actually get the recognition? You have to be in the top level. So what is the process? What do you do exactly, step by step? Right? Ready? I'm going to change the slide to the next one. Get ready. First you do research. Then you give your research to peer review. Peer review meaning a lot of people will look at your thing, and a lot of top mathematicians who have already achieved a lot of things, they will sit and review your thing. So what kind of research should you do? We will talk about that. And the research should have a breakthrough. The breakthrough part is really important. Yeah, the big breakthrough part is really important, because something new has to be done. Fields medal is that's the reason Fields medal is so prestigious. Okay. And international recognition, that is the last thing, which is a consequence of these things. So yeah, you cannot yeah, that you're gonna get it. It won't be a cakewalk, right? You have to study. You have to do the thing. All right. Okay. So what are the places where you can do research? What is the thing? So either you can do something in the existing work. Most of the things are done in this field, but even there, you see, you remember Fermat's last theorem, right? Or the millennial problems. So there are a lot of problems which are unsolved, but they are part of existing subjects, existing topics. I recently made a short about Gerard Faltings, right? And he got his Fields medal in 1986. I'm sorry. That means he was under 40 and all those things, conditions were satisfied, and he actually made a breakthrough. He solved a problem which was unsolved for 60 years. That is part of this new sub branch of work. It is something which people like Andrew Wiles might have done, right? Andrew Wiles, the person who solved Fermat's last theorem. Yes, it is part of existing work, but to solve that problem you have to create. So it's all about solving problems at the end, isn't it? So it is about breaking something, breaking the wall and getting out of the existing small box, right? It is about extending your horizon. That's the beauty of this thing. Next, so I really suggest you that you go to Wikipedia and you open the list of awardees, Fields medalists. So if you look at the list, if you just scroll down and you read these reasons, you will understand what kind of things get you recognized. I want you to do this homework, right? So that you will benefit from it, and you cannot try to win the medal. That's not in your hands. That's not what you do. You try to fall in love with the subject, and medal will be a consequence. So with that motivation, I will end this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.